Hi guys, we're at Epcot and we're gonna go walk around, check out some of the Christmas decor. And you know, this is Obi's favorite park. He always comes, except for they gave us a problem today. They wouldn't let me use his wagon. They let me use it at any other park but this one. So they gave us a wheelchair to use. So Obi's been riding around in a wheelchair. Lucky boy, huh? He wants to walk though. So let's go see what kind of Christmas decorations we can find, okay? And from this distance, we can see the big giant tree with the angel on top. So that's the only thing so far. So we'll see what else we can find. Alright, we're here in Canada and they have some garland there around. But that's pretty much all that I'm seeing so far. A lot of the booths are not open yet. It's only 10:30 in the morning. So I see a little bit of garland here and there. We are on the boat for Living in the Land, and I hear they've got holiday decorations, so we're going to go check them out.
These carefully controlled ecosystems, and for your safety, please remain seated in your boat at all times. But one of the most important holiday crops actually grows in the tropics. For centuries, farmers in Central America have cultivated cacao to make chocolate. In fact, cacao is chocolate's main ingredient. Today, people around the world are able to enjoy a variety of sweets and keep warm with a cup of hot cocoa, thanks to this tropical plant.
Right? Peanut butter, peanut butter. Bananas. Egg flour. Pumpkin.
Look at those pumpkins.
Cow. Oh, banana. Cow.
The cow.
Banana. What's that one? Banana. Right here.
There's that where it says you're going in.
There, good. Oh, that's good. That's pretty good.
Stuff the 7 fishes.
There's the Mickey lights.
Northern Europe, where fresh fruit is rare in winter, they're much harder to find, making them an extra special stocking stuffer. During Chinese New Year, these vibrant fruits are
Nice little setup over here.
Everywhere.
Got a little fireplace going on.
days by giving back to the land using innovative farming techniques.
We've made our lemons. Little tiny eggplants.
And by growing ground plants vertically, we give them better protection from disease.
Cucumbers.
And what? Oh, carrots.
And now they're doing lettuce.
Ooh, I love lettuce.
Our plants can grow an abundance of festive vegetables. This greenhouse alone grows about. When we give more, we receive more, making the most of the land's green gifts. A variety of holiday cookies, cakes, and other delights.
Hanging from these.
By cultivating these festive plants with care and
people are doing tours. Brussels sprouts.
Oh, yay, kale. I don't know what that is. I'm allergic to kale. Oh, you're allergic to technology. What? So that fish is called? Oh, yeah. It's nice. Yeah, you like this. Can I get a name? Yo.
Well, we didn't get to do too much today. Today was just going to be a short little day checking out some Christmas stuff, and I heard the land had Christmas decorations in it, so that's pretty much it. I think Obi and I are going to probably head out because I am walking. I'm not trying to go too far, so that was pretty much it for today. We'll go around the World Showcase and check things around the World Showcase with Boo on another day. So guys, thank you for being here. And don't forget to hit subscribe, comment down below, hit that thumbs up. Tell me what you like to see at Christmas time. What's your favorite thing to see? Is it lights? Is it just the music, food, you know, that kind of thing? What do you like about Christmas most? I like the food, the smells, the lights. I like it all. So, all right, guys. Thank you for being here, and I love you all. Bye.